for your team without saying the word and without using any of these forbidden words.
Okay.
You understand?
Male acting otherwise popular.
Richard,
No, he's male, but he's acting like the other sex.
oh. This guy.
Yes.
See team B about to lose.
Wait, we're about to win. We're about to be winners.
About to lose.
We're about to do this. Alright, let's go. Where do I come from? My last name, where is it from? What city? City.
Warrini.
Thank you.
Time up, man.
No,
Who's interested?
We're talking let's change the people. What are we discussing? You are what?
Usually, I do blockchain and AI engineering work. Yeah.
Boss is game.
With open source, you can see those things. And I think when I became an open telemetry, to become an open telemetry member, I had to go back and get all my contributions from the first one that I made. And I just felt this pride that, man, wow, I've gone so far. Like I remember when I was struggling with Golang, and I was like, the next step is before you even start contributing to a project, you need to have background understanding of what the project is about. I think like these are the mistakes a lot of people make. They just, I want to contribute. They go to Kubernetes, search for Kubernetes, press enter, go to issues, scroll, see plenty things. look at some issues, get overwhelmed, go back, go to BR, see people do like 5 change 50. You're like, what? Maybe I'm not skilled enough, and they leave and then they run away. And then they continue that 3 months after they feel like, no, this year I just contribute to open source again, and we go again, the same loop over and over. Because this was me for 2 weeks in our teaching, so I understand.
Thank you, everyone. How is it going so far?
Fantastic.
Going well.
Yeah.
This guy, Pratix, is on another cluster, which is the platform cluster. That's what we used to create something called promises. So remember I used the word components earlier. All right, I just use that word because it's general. But in Pratix's world, it's called promises. All right, so when you create, think of it like a template. Like okay. And the cool thing about Pratix is that you can actually have compound promises. So promises that are made up of other promises.
You want to have those avenues where you can learn and you can actually get skills that you use. For instance, I'm thinking of CK again, like the CK bootcamp and possibly the CKS bootcamp. And we want to have people who would be actual professionals. I wanted to see more ambassadors come out of the community. As you may be aware, there's only about 3 ambassadors from Nigeria at the time, and it's been telling on even the community. And what do I mean? A lot of people have asked that when are we going to have KubeCon Africa? That's been a conversation that has been happening for a while now. So we want to see a community that is not just consuming, alright, but also contributing to that ecosystem, either through code, through what the Remosele showed us, through public blogs, articles, speaking at conferences. In fact, I'll even encourage that you can speak at KubeCon. You can apply to speak at KubeCon.
Maybe we'll just make it a panel interview session. So what do you have to say? Okay, so it's important that as a community we have, why we're taking time to share this, so that we all know where we are going as a community. You understand? We are not, all scattered. You understand? Then the second goal all right, for us as a community is, like you said earlier, to have more ambassadors. All right, to have more ambassadors. The next ambassador application opens in May or so. And us to be thinking beyond just personal things. What job will I get next? This one will what remote job will I do next? But thinking about the African system, you understand, needs you to be really good at this thing. Do you get? It needs you. All right. So it's a clarion call for all of us.
I can kind of make you out. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Just had like builders working on everything, so I kind of got caught up in that. But how was the session? What have you all been doing?
Very well.
Yeah, well, so we just wrapped up the meetup. We talked about a number of things actually, but one of the things why we said we wanted to have this call with you was for the community, for everyone to have an opportunity to say thank you directly to you. Your course is amazing, and it has really had a lot of impact on us here. So thank you so much. So we all say thank you.
I made that, but it's an absolute pleasure. I mean, yeah, your community is lovely. I mean, so many of you constantly reach out and say hello, and I love the drive, especially that you have for support with others, and that I think is the big thing which really jumps out. You know, the very fact that you're actually doing this, you're all together on a Saturday, you know, in each other's company, working hard on the cloud-native stuff. It's really good, really good. I love this community. At any point, any of you can reach out to me if you've got any questions on these things, or you want some input, some advice. Very happy to help.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Cheers, Cloud Native Team Lagos. I'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.